So this video is a drill that will help you with your 3/4 shimmies on the up and your 3/4 shimmies on the down. So here's a quick breakdown of the two shimmies we're going to be working with. The timing of both of these 3/4 shimmies is on 1 E and. So if you're counting 16th notes, 1 E and 2 E and We're not doing anything on the We're only doing moves on 1 E and 2 E and. So for the first shimmy, we're going up on the 1 and up on the and. And when we have a 1 or a 2, those main beats, we're also stepping. So starting on the right, we're gonna go 1 E and. So it's a step and lift, 2 E down, and another lift. 1 E and, 2 E and, 1 E and, 2 E and, step and lift, step and lift, step and lift, step and lift. That's your basic 3/4 shimmy technique. You may know it and love it from practicing Gawazi. Two drills that'll help you with your 3/4 shimmy on the up are just getting really comfortable with your hip lift walk. So just walk around, getting that hip lift to happen right when you step, because that's the first one thing that happens. And then for the second E and, the little drop lift that has to happen while you're on just one leg, I like to practice doing the whole hip pattern just standing on one leg. So pick a leg and go lift and lift, lift and lift, lift and lift, lift and lift. And then of course switch legs, do the same drill on the other leg too. When you put those two pieces of technique together, they can both help you with this 3/4 shimmy. So now we're gonna take our hips on the down, stepping on one foot, that's the hip that goes down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna turn it into a 3/4 shimmy as well. Same timing, so we're gonna go stepping down and down. So now we're doing 2 downs. 1 E and, 2 E and. The first one's on the step and down, step and down. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. So putting those together into a drill, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up for 4 counts and then down for 4 counts. To make that little transition happen, we have to add something on the right before we want to transition from up to down or from down to up. So let's say we just want to do 4 of each. So we go 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and 1 E and. Now we're going down and down. 3 E and, 4 E and 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and 1 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and 1 E and. I hope you have fun with that, especially if you speed it up enough. It's kind of a little brain teaser, but it's a great way to get practice on both your 3/4 shimmy on the up and your 3/4 shimmy on the down, down, inside of one drill. Have fun!